Everyone on the internet will tell you learn this skill and you will make $50,000 a month. But here is the truth no one tells you. In 2026, skills don't make money, leverage does. And today, I'm not going to sell you motivation. I am going to break down high income skills that are actually paying people $5,000 a month right now and will still pay in 2026. No hype, no fake screenshots, just reality. One thing I have noticed after working for a few years in this industry, companies don't really care how many skills you have. They care about how much mess you can remove from their system. If you save time, reduce confusion, or help them make better decisions, that's where the money is. With that in mind, let me share a few skills that still make sense going into 2026. Skill 1, System Thinking. Not just design, not just tech. The first one is system thinking. So, it's not about UI design, not coding, and not AI tools. System thinking, people who understand how things connect, design, product, engineering, and business. They get paid more because they stop problems from repeating. A lot of people can do tasks, but very few people can design a system. So, the task doesn't need to be done again. Those people usually don't work hourly. They work on retainers. Skill 2, Business first problem solving. This one sounds boring, but it's important. If you can translate business problems into clear solutions, you become very hard to replace. Most people talk about what they do. High paid people talk about why it matters. If you can explain why this feature exists, why this flow converts better, and why this saves money or time, you are no longer just executing, you are thinking with the business. That's where $5,000 a month starts becoming realistic. Skill 3, AI as a workflow, not a skill. First of all, AI is not a skill. Using AI as a workflow is. Anyone can open a tool, but people who know how to speed up a process, reduce manual work, and connect tools together, they become force multipliers. These are the people teams depend on quietly, and those peoples always have leverage. Skill 4, Taste, Judgment, and Decision Making. This one is uncomfortable, but true. In 2026, tools are everywhere. Tutorials are everywhere. Good judgment is rare. Knowing what not to do is often more valuable than knowing what to do. That's why seniors still get paid, not because they work harder, but because they make fewer wrong decisions. Okay, let me be honest though, none of these guarantee $5,000 a month. What actually gets you there is combining skills, sticking with one direction, and staying long enough for trust to build. High income is usually boring, repetitive, and invisible from the outside. If you're starting out, don't chase money, chase usefulness. Money shows up when people feel life is easier because this person exists. That's it. No hype, just something to think about. That's all I wanted to share, nothing to sell, just something to think about. If this was useful, you can subscribe, no pressure. Build some skills that make you useful, not just impressive. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.